Hello guys, my name is Vivek Sharma and I'm very happy to teach you today about the trigonometry. And first of all, I have done my BTech back in 2016 from YMCA University, Faridabad. And after that, I have taught a lot of students from US and UK. And after that, I have been doing offline classes. Right now, I am in Akash Institute. So today, I am going to teach you very interesting topic, trigonometry. Let us start. So imagine a scenario. You are standing on a ground and you are watching a very tall building. In your mind, you asking yourself a question like, what will be the height of this building? But in practical life, you cannot, measure the height of the building. So in this case, we will apply the concept of trigonometry. Trigonometry is just a Greek word. In this, tri means three, gon means sides, metron means measurement, right? So when you hear about the three sides, what's come to you on your mind? It is triangle, right? So we are gonna apply trigonometry in a triangle. Which triangle? Right angle triangle. Because imagine a scenario where you are standing here and you are watching a tall building, right? And you want to know the height of the building. Suppose from here you are observing a building. This, let us say this building is AB. This is standing straight on the ground, making a right angle with the ground, and at point C you are observing the top of the building, which is A. Right? Suppose you are making some angle theta here while observing the top of the building. Don't worry, theta is just a Greek word. It is basically the 8th Greek word which is used to show the angle which we don't know. So before, in a right angle triangle in smaller classes, what we have done, we have applied Pythagoras like this. Square of hypotenuse is equal to the AB square plus BC square, right? In those scenarios, they have given us two sides in the question and they asked the third side. But in trigonometry, what if I told you the height of the building, which is AB? You can find the height of the AB if you know this angle and any of the side, AC or BC. Right? So this is the trigonometry. Trigonometry is nothing, it is just the relationship between the angle of a triangle and between the sides of a triangle, right? So what I mean trigonometry is the relationship between sides and the angle of triangle. So yeah, it is clear. So how do we represent this relationship? So we represent this relationship with the help of trigonometric ratios. We represent this relationship with trigonometric ratios. Right? So there are 6 trigonometric ratios. For example, this is sin theta, there is cos theta, there is tan theta. Other 3 will be reciprocal of these, right? So cosecant theta will be reciprocal of sin theta. Secant theta will be reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta will be equal to reciprocal of tan theta. So first of all, let us know the position of sides with respect to the angle. See, when you are standing here, you are observing the building. Which side of triangle is opposite to you? This. This will be known as perpendicular or P. Side opposite to the angle. Now, side opposite to the right angle will always be hypotenuse. This is H, right? And this BC will act as base of a triangle. With respect to the theta, it is known as base or adjacent side. Or I will make this as B. Okay, So first of all, sine theta is, it will be P upon H. Don't worry, I will give you all the some trick to remember this trigonometric ratio formula. So cos theta will be equal to P by H. Tan theta will be equal to, it is nothing, it is just a ratio of sine theta by cos theta. So it is P by B. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine theta, it will be H by P. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So reciprocal of cos theta, it will be H by B. Now cot theta will be reciprocal of tan theta, it will be B by P. Clear? Oh. So how to remember this formula? Trick to remember formula. There is a Hindi trick, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. It is written like this, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. This is Sona Chandi Tole. This represent sine, this represent cos, this represent tan. Can you see? Sine is P by H. See, P by H. Cos is B by H. See, B by H. Tan is P by B. P by B. Right? So this is how you learn the formula. Now give me one more example. Suppose in the next moment right now you are on the ground. If you went to the top of the building, let us draw this scenario here. If you go to the point A, now here let us say some angle is phi. Now in this case, P and B will interchange. Why? Because right now side opposite to angle phi will be BC. It will act as perpendicular. Hypotenuse will be same. Right? It will not change because it is always opposite to the right angle. It is the largest side of the triangle. Now in this case, base will be AB because this is the adjacent side to the BC. Right? So yeah, thank you.